Good morning, everyone. I am Akshat Pal of Class 8. I am going to say today's thought of the day. Thousands have lived without love, but not one without water. Thank you.
Amani is going to recite a poem.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to present a poem. The earth cracks with the blistering heat, rivers dry, crops wilt. If water is consumed without a thought, we shall bear the burn of the drought. Life is water, water is life. Conserve water before shortage is rife. Thank you.
Thank you, Beta. Now, Parky is here to express on the topic life below water.
A very good morning to everyone present here. I am Paki Saxani and today on the importance of UN Goal 14 Life Below Water. We are land dwelling species, but we depend more on our oceans than we can imagine. Oceans cover close to three quarters of the Earth's surface, contain 90% of the Earth's water and represent 99% of the living space on the planet by volume. Over 3 billion people depend on marine and coastal biodiversity for their livelihoods. It is estimated that 91% of species have yet to be classified and that 95% of the ocean remains unexplored. Unmonitored fishing contributes to the rapid depletion of many fish species and are preventing efforts to save and restore global fisheries and related jobs. Sustainable Development Goal 14 Life Below Water commits countries to unite over what is a truly global responsibility, the protection of our oceans and the lives that depend on it. By this, I would like to end up the speech and I hope that you might have understand the importance of goal 14 life below water. Thank you and have a good day ahead.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you so much. I would like to request Aruna ma'am to say a few words.
Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at your place. As we know that water is very important for our life, right? But we never think about the life below water, which is very important for us. You know, our sea by our different activities. We know oceans are having very important role in our life. Oceans absorbs 30% of carbon dioxide produced by humans, and it plays a different role in our life. That's why UN SDG goal 14 is introduced for saving the life below water. We have to conserve our sea animals, our sea, because oceans is having their own beauty. More than 70% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans. And then oceans are plays a very important roles in rising our economy. See, there's so many industries which is dependent on the ocean. First, most probably, business of fishing is also depend on our oceans and sea. If we got so many things, food, oil in the form of petrol, and the more precious pearls, shipping, and so many different forms of energy we got from the oceans. So it's our moral duty to save our oceans, and then which is very important for surviving. So it is rightly said that there is a plenty of water in the universe without life, but nowhere is there life without water. It's our moral duty to save our oceans, and we have to reduce marine pollution, protect and restore ecosystem, reduce ocean acidifications as we use plastics and throw out into the water. They go and then mix up with the ocean's water. It pollutes our oceans, seas, and conserve coastal and marine area. It's our duty to save our life, save the life of the sea animals.